Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. If you're brand new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, you want to learn how you can achieve financial freedom, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I come on here every day, try to help you make money. So give me a thumbs up for that. I think that's the very least. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the market a little bit. We've had a little bit of a crazy time. Now, I was calling for a pop in the market yesterday. We ended up with the market being just a little bit up throughout the day, but then ended up closing 0.42% down on the S&P and 0.68% down on the Dow Jones, just slightly up on the NASDAQ. 0.47%. So overall the day was down. Now, we had Bitcoin had a huge run yesterday and then a big flash crash. We've also had Google, Microsoft, Facebook all reported, all beat expectations. So where's that leave us today? Well, it definitely looks like the market is wanting to gather some strength and move up. We're up 0.71% in the pre-market, so nearly 0.75% up in the pre-market. And even after that huge flash crash down, we were up there at $30,000 on Bitcoin. Flash crashed all the way down to about 27.2, and we're starting to rebuild, getting some of that momentum back. We're up about 2% on the day, sitting at about 29,000 on Bitcoin. So we got crypto trying to push up. We've had good earnings on big tech. What's that mean for the market? It looks like the market's going to move up. And I think we'll get that move. Like I said, I was expecting a move up yesterday. Didn't really get it. The market was flat pretty much overall. Tried to come up, come right back down. I think today is the day that we get that move up. I'm hoping that we do. I'm going to use that, like I said, as a buying opportunity on the TQQQ. To pick up some puts, by the way, if you've not been following me, looking to pick up some puts long term, because ultimately I see this market moving down. I expect that eventually we're going to hit that support level and we are going to break through both on the NASDAQ and on the S&P, and we're going to start seeing these markets leg down. That's what I've been calling for now for a while, and that's why I'm warning everybody, just be careful if you're out there trading. Don't get too much of a bull narrative with everything going on out there in the market. This is not, regardless of what anyone else is telling you, this is not a bull market yet. I find it super hard to believe, given the fact that we all pretty much know we are heading toward a recession. Historically, we have never bottomed out in the market before we have gotten in that recession. Now, I know we had a small recession last year. Everyone says, oh no, the bottom was set in October. But if we have a larger recession coming, what makes you think that those bottoms from last October is going to hold? That's my question to you. Considering the fact that that's never happened in the entire history of the stock market, especially when you start tracking modern stock market over the last 80 years or so. It's just never happened. We always get that low. Now, with that being said, remember, we always start that bull market before we're out of a recession. That means on our way into that recession, or just after that recession starts, is usually when we hit that bottom. So if we're expecting a recession to come summer of this year, fall of this year, then that's where I'm really looking for market lows to be at. I'm looking for us to get some market lows somewhere in that time frame. We got the U.S. debt ceiling debate going on that's going to come to a head in June. We've just got a lot of economic drivers going on out there. And I don't want to see anyone get burnt. I don't want to see anyone go all in trying to ride the hype, so to speak, and get caught up in it, and then this market drops and maybe pulls back another 10, 20%, maybe 30%, and just get decimated on that. I don't want to see that for anyone out there. That's why I said quick trades. That's my bread and butter right now, in and out, as well as just, preparing myself for that ultimate drawdown, which is why I'm looking at puts on something like the TQQQ. Now, I also point out another little play I'm looking at, and that is Baidu, ticker symbol BIDU. Now, this thing's on a downward trend. I made some money on it. We picked it up at the $23 strike. We sold it when it was down at about a $123 strike, should I say. We sold it when it dropped down to about $119. Made a fantastic return, and I'm definitely looking to pick that back up. It's run up just a little bit in the pre-market here. I'm really liking the looks of maybe about the 118 strike, and if we have a great day today, might even have an opportunity to pick up another position at over 120, which I think is great, because ultimately I see this coming down to at least about the 112, if not the 107 range, is kind of the next levels of resistance, and then we'll reevaluate and see where we may go from there. But short term, I definitely see some movement here, and I think that there's some money to be made. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that and picking up some positions there. Check it out, see if it makes sense for you, and until next time, remember, be blessed, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.